How to find restricted messages on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to find restricted messages or you want to restrict some accounts on Messenger, you have come to the right place. So in order to do that, what you're gonna do is first of all, open Messenger app on your device. Now, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see a 3-bar option, which is the menu. Click on it. Then it will take you to this interface where in the first you can see the option which says settings. Open it. Then it will direct you to this page where you have to scroll a bit down, and under preferences you can see the option which says privacy and safety. Open it. Now after you do that, scroll a bit down, and over here you can see the option who can reach you. Under there are three options: message delivery, restricted accounts, and blocked accounts. So go to the option restricted accounts. As you can see, I have not restricted any accounts over here, but you can restrict some accounts by clicking on the icon which is in the top right corner of your screen over here, and then you can either select it from over here or search the name of the account you want to restrict. So this is how you can restrict an account or find restricted messages on Messenger. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and meet you in the next one.